We are back with Kaitlyn. Yay!
Yay!
So this is a really exciting lesson for me because, like last week, Kaitlyn came up to me and she said, I really want to learn this song. It's super beautiful, but I think it's too hard. It's called Anyone by Demi Lovato. So why did you pick this song?
Well, I watched her on the Grammys performing this song, and it was like super emotional, and I fell in love with the sound of the piano. Yep. It's like I have to play this song. I have to.
Okay, so it's like this is a perfect example of how important it is to listen to music, because when you listen to music, you can get inspired, and when you're inspired, you get motivated to practice and learn. So we're gonna take advantage of this opportunity to teach Kaitlyn something new and to teach you something new as you watch how a beginner approaches learning a song. So step one, we need some kind of music. Now, Kaitlyn doesn't know how to read notes yet, but she does understand chords. So the first thing I did is I went online, Googled a chord chart for her, noticed it was in a really challenging key, so I just adjusted it a little bit, up just a little bit to put it in a simple key. So I think that's the first most important thing, is if you're new and you're a beginner, sometimes you have to change the key a little bit to make it easy to play. So this one, now we have a G, a D minor, an F, and a C, and that is it.
Super easy.
Super easy. So, what I like to do as the first step for learning a song is just play through the chords. And this one, let's play each chord 4 times.
4. Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna start with G.
Do you want me to play the main chord on this hand?
I want you to play the main chord here, and then just the root note here,
root
or
note?
whatever. Do whatever you feel comfortable, and if it sounds terrible, I'll tell you.
Okay.
4 of those puppies. Cool. Next chord. Nicely done. Good. Look at you go. How quickly you're going through your chords. It's so good. Okay, so I'm actually not worried about you knowing how to find those chords.
Yay.
So this is really, really good. I'm going to scooch beside you for a second, and I just want to play you the tempo.
Okay.
So you're going to play those again, but it's going to be about like this. I'm using the pedal. We can talk about that later.
Okay.
It's just an instinct. 3, 4, and 1, 2, like that. Okay, you try. I tried to talk to my piano. I tried to talk to my guitar. Talk to my imagination. Confide it into alcohol. Pause there. You're playing the whole song already. It's the beauty of pop is there's more chords. Okay, so let's I think you're ready to make some fancy things happen.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared. Okay, it'll be so fun. So we're gonna try an inversion. So as a beginner, when you're learning a song, you gotta start with the chords and start in root position to keep it simple. But when you start to become comfortable enough that you're not having to really think about it, that's when you need to throw in a new challenge. And inversions are the perfect way to do that. So start with exactly how you did. You're gonna go to G, you play your 4 Gs. Try to talk to my piano. And then D again, D minor. Try to talk to now here. Play one more. Okay, and now instead of going up and moving your hand to F, I want you to notice something. F has F, A, and C. Those are the notes. Look at, you have F and A already. Where's C? Yeah, you're playing an F chord now.
Whoa.
Right? Okay, so connect it to this F here and give me 4 of those. Isn't that awesome?
Whoa,
I know.
that sounds good.
I know, it does. And it's so much closer together. So go to the D minor again so we can practice that transition. Good. And then your F.
Oh.
This is tricky because we have to train this hand to go here. Yeah. Okay, now go to C. Look how close it is. Doesn't that feel so good?
Yes. Okay, that seems so much more. I feel like I'm becoming like a real piano player now.
You are becoming a real piano player. And it's just this one little thing. And so that's all you're gonna do for the next little while is until that becomes easy enough that you're kind of like, I don't have to think about it. And then we'll add another new thing. So let's, just for the sake of all of our friends watching, let's talk about what the one new thing would be that we would add. And I think it's gonna be something with the left hand. So I'm gonna play and I want you to watch.
Okay.
Okay, so this is working really well. watch what my left hand's doing.
Oh, okay, so you play the
matching note. So I'm
Yeah.
playing with what's called octaves. So when I begin, I've got my G chord, play G down here, then maybe another one up here. And then D, maybe this guy now. F. It looks really simple and graceful, but it's a tricky move.
Oh no.
So let's just see what happens. The worst can happen is that you'll horribly embarrass yourself. And we'll have a great laugh.
You made it look so easy. Now I totally forgot what you just did.
Okay, so before you worry about that, let's play through the progression. I can't speak. And just focus on getting that new inversion feeling. So that's all you have to worry about for now. To my piano. Almost. Tried to talk to my guitar. Nope. Maybe there you go. This one. Yes. And then C. Cut it into alcohol. Repeat. Back to G. I tried and tried and tried some more. D minor. Yes. Till my voice was sore. Here's a tricky one. So here, just freeze for a moment. This hand, because this didn't move around, your left hand's like, I don't know how to do anything.
Right?
So remember that this guy's got to play F. Yes? Conversation. Here's your C. Yep. And play C with your thumb. Here we go. Play the C now. Keep this going. Yes! Good. Okay, to G. You can do it. Play one G here. Keep this guy going. Yes, D minor. You're doing so good. With your thumb, with your thumb, with your thumb.
Where did he go?
Do, do, do. This guy, do, 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 do. Good, now tricky F. Breathe. Yes. Do, 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 do. And C. You got this. Final chord. Boom. Do, 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 do. Take a moment. Whoa. I should take it off. So does it feel good?
Yeah.
You're playing like, you're in the next level now. So that's what you practice.
Okay.
And then later, we'll either figure out if you're going to sing along or we'll start to look at picking out the melody. But we're not going to, she's like, I'm not singing. Maybe you can play it for me and I'll sing it.
Okay, that sounds better.
And we could also look at picking out the melody. But first, I want you really confident with the structure. So now it's time to go practice. For all of our friends out there, we've attached the chord chart below. So if you want to learn the song too, you can. Comment below, leave some love for Kaitlyn. Be her cheerleaders, and we'll see you around.